Assalamu alaikum. So there is a nightmare for like a Oracle Apex developers, which is like a printing engine. We usually use like something paid or like a community version, like BI Publisher or Jasper or any other engine for generating the report with many formats. So actually, I thought like it will be better to build. I tried many times actually before, but it was the time to build this engine. For me, it was very simple. Like I have a template, like a doc template, and based on it, I will parse the data and generate whatever format I need. So actually, like this is I built it as a service. So it's like an API. I'm passing the template and the JSON data, and from this I'm getting the, for example, the PDF here. So, for example, if I want PNG, it will be the same, but it will generate an image rather than the, of course, here is small, screen small, but it will generate the screen. Let me show you very quick one of these templates. For example, this template, it's for invoice, so it's a placeholder, and there is a repeating frame as well, like rows. So we are replacing the data from replacing this placeholder with the data rather than it's coming from the JSON. And of course, the JSON is not the deal here. So let me show you. For example, also have the receipt template. Um, One of the thing I usually saw in the supermarket or in the mall. So let's demonstrate very quick in Apex how this will work actually. Let me take this. So we have like, for example, invoice, and we saw the invoice. So let's see something else like the sales, and we have the format for us. It's a PNG now, so I'm just clicking print, and it's generating the sales report as a PNG format or JPG format, whatever we was checking JPG. Okay. So if I want to do it as a HTML, let's say same report, we can print it here as a HTML. So this is the format as a HTML. Let's replace it to its PDF. It will be the same. So it was like very tough for us to get this. Like we are trying to use a client side engine or something like this, but all this engine built on solid open source libraries. So it's all in the server side. There is no client side execution here. Let me show you one of the thing I like when I build the receipt. So let's generate a PDF for the receipt, especially with the sizing, you know. So this is one of the receipt, like you can get it as a image as well, like a PNG. Depend how you will print your receipt. So this is as a image. So it's look clean and cool, and also you can let's see some of the uh, Excel formatting. Excel, actually I didn't play a lot with it. It will take it in the table and summary. So it was like very simple. The data will come from here as the items will come as items, and the summary will be in the other tab, and that's it. I didn't play like to be typically as a format. It will be a lot like, you know, it will be difficult a little bit. So, and there is no business case for that, so I thought it's will be enough for this. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it, and you can subscribe and follow in LinkedIn for more details.